Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It is Thursday, December 1st. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Continued selling pressure into these grain markets, actually mostly led by corn, which is a bit surprising. Corn down 6 cents. You're now at those levels you were at about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, where you found some support here. Soybeans were lower as well, only closing down about 2 to 3 cents, though. They were down about 10 at one point, came back into the close, but sold off just back before you actually closed off, but closing down 2 to 3 cents there as well. And then in the wheat market, kind of some interesting trade going on. You have both Chicago and Kansas City wheat on their lows right now, and you had some big separation between Kansas City and Minneapolis and Chicago. So Kansas City and Chicago wheat closing down anywhere from 6 to 7 cents lower, but then Minneapolis actually up anywhere from 4 to 8 cents. So some big separation going on between those wheat markets. Over into the meat markets, you did have lower trade. We're slightly higher to start the day off, about 20 to 30 cents higher, but just couldn't keep it together, closing down about 60 to 70 cents lower across the meat market there. Also into these grain markets, I have to note that export sales did come out today, and they were decent. They were mid-range here in soybeans, towards the bottom end of the range in corn, but people are expecting to see those large exports. We've had extremely large ones for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and really above the range of expectations. So slowing off a little bit, still good demand, but not as high as we had been seeing and really was driving this market. Outside markets, big moves in crude market once again, as OPEC looks like they're going to be able to make a commitment to cut some production there. So crude market up $4 yesterday, up $2 today. US dollar slightly lower today as well, down 55. That's a welcome correction there as well. And the Dow market slightly higher. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is just to see Managed Money's active roll, and then Friday after the close, seeing what they decided to do from week to week. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.